Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you're watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon. See, today's subject is Strength of Materials, Unit 2, Solution for Problems, Bars of Various Cross Sections. Part 15. If you want to see the previous video of this subject, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show the playlist of this subject, both the languages in Tamil and English, and also I uploaded other subject playlist in the I button also. Please watch all the videos and don't forget to subscribe. Solution for problems number 10. This is the 10th problem. So now I am going to read the problem first and then I will explain you. A stepped bar of 1 meter length is composed of two segments of equal length. The first segment is 20 into 20 mm square and the others is 40 into 40 mm square in size. Calculate the elongation of the bar when the maximum tensile stress in the material is 200 Newton per mm square, and due to the axial tensile force, take E equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. So, they given a stepped bar. So, the varying of diameter bar, it is not a diameter, it is a squared bar. The length of the overall bar is 1 meter, that is 1000 mm, and it is composed by two segments. So, it has a two equal segments, two segments of equal length. So the bar is divided into two, so 500 mm into 500 mm, that is 0.5 meter into 0.5 meter, and the it was equally splitted, and the two segments have different square lengths. They are, first segment has 20 to 20 square and second segment has 40 into 40 square in size. So we have to calculate the elongation of the bar due to the maximum tensile stress. The maximum tensile stress is 200 Newton per mm square, and due to the tensile stress, there is Young's modulus found, which is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. So now I am going to take the given data. The overall length, that is L equal to 1 meter. I am going to convert the meter into mm, that is 1 into 10 to the power of 3 mm, that is 1000 meters, 1000 mm, and the area of first segment is 20 into 20 mm, that is 400 mm square, and the area of second segment is A2, that is 40 into 40, that is 1600 mm square. The next tensile stress is 200 Newton per mm square. The next one, Young's modulus capital E equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. These are the given data given, and we have also one given data, that is the segment, the total length was divided into two. So the 1 meter is divided into two halves, that is 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter. In first segment is 0.5 meter and second segment is 0.5 meter. It will show in the solution. So the next we are going to find the elongation of the bar. So the total elongation of the bar, we have to find that. So now I am going to write the solution. So elongation of bar, the formula of elongation of bar we have to take, because here we have two segments. So elongation 1 plus elongation 2 is the total elongation of bar, del L. So del L equal to del L1 plus del L2. Now I am going to take the formula for del L is PL by A. This is the formula of del L. Now I am going to convert it for this segments. So del L equal to PL1 by A1E plus PL2 plus A2E for the first segment and second segment. The length and area is varying. So I am put the L1, A1 and L2, A2 in the formula. So the overall length is 1000 mm, and L1 is 500 mm and L2 is 500 mm, because they given in the question as it has a two equal segments. So one of the segment has 500 mm, another segment also 500 mm. The total is 1000 mm is the overall length. The next one is tensile stress. The tensile stress is load by area 1. Because I am going to take the tensile stress, because of the in this formula we don't know the value of load. So we don't know the value of load. So now I am going to find the load, and we know the value of L1, that is 500 mm, and we don't know we have the area of A1, that is 20 to 20, that is 400 mm square. We know the Young's modulus, but first we have to find the load. So for the load I am using this stress formula. So tensile stress equal to load by area 1, tensile load by area 1. We know the tensile stress and area 1, but we don't know the load, so I am going to convert that. So for that, PT equal to capital P by A1. Now I am going to convert. So I transfer the A1 from right to left. So it will be capital P equal to PT into A1. So it will be changed as a dividend into multiplication. So capital P equal to stress is 200 into 400. So 80,000 Newton. The load is 80,000 Newton. Now I am going to substitute the value of load in the formula. So del L equal to PL1 by A1E plus PL2 by A2E. The value of load is 80,000 into L1 is 500 divided by A1 is 400 into Young's modulus is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 plus the value of load is 80,000 into L2 is 500 divided by A2 is 1600 into Young's modulus is 2 into 10 to the power of 5. So the value I am taken, that is 4 into 10 to the power of 6, sorry 7 divided by 800 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 3200 into 10 to the power of 5. Now I am going to substitute the value 0.5 plus 0.125. That elongation is 0.625 mm. So the total elongation is 0.625 mm. We can also find this in the different method, that is we have to find the first del 1 and the del 2, then we have to order the two addition, the sum of the two del 1 and del 2 is load del L. We can also do like that in the second method, and the result is elongation of bar del 1 equal to 0.25 mm. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.